Okay, today I'm making applesauce in my Instant Pot. Gala apples, I have 8 of them that I got at Gentili's Produce, fabulous produce place. I'm not gonna bother taking off the skin or getting out the seeds because I'm gonna run them through a mill when it's all said and done. So I've already got a whole bunch in the Instant Pot. I just got the last one to chop up here. And there we go. Another one. Then you add, this is 1 cup of water, and there's a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice in there. Just pour that over the top. Then you add cinnamon. So the recipe says a half a teaspoon. Whatever. Okay, I like cinnamon, so whatever. I'm just putting a lot of cinnamon in there, and it's going to be delicious. So you take it and you put it into your Instant Pot. Skewing, manual, 8 minutes. That's it. When it's done, you let it come down off the pressure, you throw it through the food mill, and you have delicious applesauce. Doesn't need any sugar or anything. It's fabulous. Oh, see, there it goes. All right, so there's your applesauce in the Instant Pot. Of course, you have to have an Instant Pot for this. I recommend it.